Welcome to our video on the development of an e-commerce website using HTML and Tailwind CSS. In this video, we will take you through the process of creating a fully functional online store, from designing the layout to adding products. First, let's talk about the tools we use to build this website. We chose HTML as our markup language for creating the website structure and content, and Tailwind CSS as our styling framework for quickly and easily designing the website's layout. As you can see, the homepage features a clean and modern design that is easy to navigate. We achieve this by using Tailwind CSS classes to style the various elements of the page, such as the header, navigation menu, and featured products section. And there you have it, a fully functional e-commerce website built using HTML and Tailwind CSS. With these tools, we were able to create a website that is both visually appealing and user-friendly, making it easy for customers to browse and purchase. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to build an e-commerce website using HTML and Tailwind CSS. I put the source code in the description, so check it out.